let me just say, if you're anything like me, there are probably places in your head, places in your life that you need to go to war because there's chaos. That is one of those places God is just not sitting on the throne in my life. Or he does sometimes, and then I take him off. And then he does sometimes, and I take him off. Like, maybe there are places in our life that chaos needs to be driven out, and the only way to do that is to go to war. But once you get through that war, and you put God firmly there, it's like, okay, now we're better. But that's how we see this happening over and over again. So he has to be in charge of my heart and my mind. And I need to stop being the moral police for others. How about I get what's going on inside here right, and then we'll talk about what's going on outside of there. Which brings me to something that sort of lines up here and sort of doesn't, but I've started getting emails and texts, and we all know this is a voting year. Oh, doesn't that divide people like nobody else? I love that. Let's talk about some voting. Yes. So here is the official stance of Catalyst. You should vote.